What's up, fellas? You're messing around. Got to cleaning up the wheels and stuff the other day. We got some tires and decided while I got it all up in the air, it's time to go through and clean all this aluminum we got going on. And it looks like a lot of elbow work or elbow grease, but that's the whole reason I'm making this video. I'll show you this right here. Found this stuff. I just happened to see it when I was at Napa the other day getting primer and stuff for the wheels. But you spray that crap on, and I got call it scuff pad there, just to help kind of, you know, knock some of the heavy stuff loose, because I'm not running an exhaust, and anybody knows about these cars, when they start messing with EGR failures and shit like that, like they just nothing but fuel smoke. And since mine's, you know, dumping out the pipe there, everything's just covered in soot back here. You can see some of the darker spots I didn't actually scrub back there that are really thick. Probably a little bit of grease or something up there helping that sweat. But I'm telling you, for a good aluminum cleaner with not a lot of work, especially for us C4 guys, got a lot of aluminum parts, I highly recommend it. I'm gonna let everything dry up. Already painted the wheels and stuff. Could paint up and clean up some of this other stuff, but we need shocks, and that'll come soon. But I mean, everything cleans up pretty good up underneath there. Like I said, not much. You could see where it's black. That's pretty much what everything looked like in there. That's what it looks like with just the cleaner sprayed on it. A lot of it's gone, and that's just what, you know, a little abrasion while it's on. You don't want to let it sit too long because it does etch, but it works. It's like $5.99 a bottle. Oh, I got you on. What to do? Got some 315 Toyos. Just hit them with a refresh primer and black, clean everything up. They're all banged up. I thought about powder coating them, but they got to be repaired first, and I ain't spend all the money on that. But what else have we done? The car is officially on the Haltech now. If anything else is wrong with it, blame the tuner, this guy. But it runs pretty strong. Doesn't have that stumble on part throttle like it did. I was able to clean it up. I don't know, something, maybe I bumped something in one of the timing maps or the fuel map. I defaulted both, made sure all my injector timings and stuff were what they were supposed to be, and it seems to be good. Now we gotta clean up the fronts. That's what we're dealing with, just 8-year-old flake. Why is my phone all goofed up? I don't know, I hit some button. We're new to this. Still got to clean up the calipers on the front too, one section at a time. This is the color scheme we're going to go with. What else did we do? Finish up the interior a little bit. Got another shifter boot. Console lid. Still can't find the latch or the catch. And I don't know if I got the wrong saddle or if my shit's just that bad or if the color from that reman's just that off. But all in all, it's coming back around. Still need door panels, like no tomorrow, but another day. And another thing, if y'all guys consider weather stripping for one of these cars, do not get the cheaper one. I mean, it works if you, that's all you can afford, and you got it in mind that it's going to be temporary. Go for it. It's not terrible. The fitment's not bad. You don't have to fight it too much. But I'll be damned if you ain't got to slam the shit out of these doors now. So if you don't put your hand behind it, it'll bounce back every damn time. Same thing on this side. I've done it's got all new weather stripping all the way around except for the top. I haven't done that yet. It's in the box. I'm just being lazy. But we got another bottle with an aluminum spray. So I might put it up on the front engine bay. Control arms and shit. Clean up all up here. You know, evap can and all that crap that's up front. Other than that, that's pretty much it for now. Give y'all guys another update later.